Hi there, I am Eric Salgado, CEO and founder of Builderall.com, and welcome to the 5 Minutes with the CEO. Today, I will tell you a top affiliate secret that's going to help your sales in any industry, and also we are going to talk about some new features in Builderall. First, let's talk about the new tools you may not know about yet. Big Menu, also known as Mega Menu. This is a menu you can use on your website where you can attach a lot of information like links, buttons, videos, forms, and it is 100% customizable. Reorder pages on Tira. If you are building a big website and you need a better view or organization of your pages, now you can do it with the sorting tool. ReCAPTCHA on the email marketing and contact forms. Stop fake registrations and list bombing on your website with this super easy to set up professional Google V2 and V3 reCAPTCHA. Funnel Club Showcase. Access more than 34 ready-to-go niche funnels, Facebook ad suggestions, and media to capture leads and build your email list with the Builderall Funnels Club. Webinar Call to Action. You can now add a call to action on your webinar anytime during your presentation, or you can configure the right time to call to action for your recorded webinars. But most of all, you can have the whole checkout process inside your webinar presentation, having your clients buying during the webinar without leaving your page. In this video, I also want to give my special thanks to our amazing group of affiliates. Thanks to your efforts and all the new quality standards we are bringing to the marketplace, Builderall is experiencing real and solid growth right now. And combined with the incredible retention rate, you have made us the very first digital marketing tool in Latin America, but also putting us among the top tools in the world. And now, as promised, the top affiliate secret. You need to use the product that you are selling. Period. When you start using a product and establish a relationship with it, you will create an experience and some stories. Your experience, your feelings using your product, the result you got, the stories you create is what are going to give you real and reliable content for your videos, reviews, and articles. Picture the difference between someone talking about a product by reading the product description or the sales page content, and you talking about the product that you use yourself. Imagine you talking about a product for weight loss, for example, and besides the results and the amazing feeling, you can share the story about how good it was when you could finally use that dress that was in your closet for 5 years. This is what people connect, and this is what makes the sell. Sometimes you need to use a product for the whole month before promoting. Now make sure the product gives you the content, not the opposite. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you inside Builderall.